Hello everyone, today welcome to another video and the big idea. I will show you how you can make money online for beginner. Don't worry about the skills or without skills, without any effort, you can make money, a lot of money. Look at this. Firstly, I will show you a lot of for this do organic promotion for YouTube channel monetization. If you want work with me in monetization channels YouTube, just send me in WhatsApp, and I offer you a lot of channel approval in AdSense, or giving you 1000 subscribe and for 4000 watch time, hours watch time. Just you can make your gig in here. This Fiverr, it's a famous website for buying and selling micro service, like this one. He buying photo background removal. You can go to it's simple, it's easy to make this service. Just you can go to Google and write background removal. We find a lot of websites who make this service. Just in one click, upload any picture and make click background remove. Then you can upload it and send it for your buyer. It's buying $5. He buying this service $5. He make seven hundred order. Look, it's I can calculate this number. How can earning in totally in this order? Just make 700, just 700 5, it's 3500 dollars. 3000 about $4000. Look, it's $4000 just in click. Just make background remove service in Fiverr. Another one, look this. It's make a 90 900 order. Okay, 900 5, it's $4500. This one, make cut out image background remove professionally. Look, it's 1000 $5000 make in this easy service. If you want to make you a great idea for making money online, and to broken this craze, financial craze in the world. If you want to make a great video for like this services and how to make money online, all this, and update in YouTube, just give me your opinion and in the comment. Write me what niche you want to tell you more information about her, about him, and how you can I help you and to make money online. It's important for me your opinion in comments, and don't forget to make like if you like this video, and make share to another people to help him to make money online easy, without skills, without effort. Like this, do Photoshop edit, background removal, this man make a lot of Photoshop edit and background removal, and a lot of it's make more than 1000 order for this service and this gig. Look, background removal, it's viral service and easy service to make it online and make a lot of money, a lot of dollars, though high quality image. Look, thank you for watching this video and see you to another idea to make money online. This channel is about make money, how to make money online, and help people to make money and to grow his life and make him life better.